Let's take a look at Disney's All-Star Resort. There are actually 3 separate resorts that make up Disney's All-Star Resort. These are All-Star Movies, All-Star Sports, and All-Star Music. And these all fall in Disney's value category of resorts.
Let's start by taking a closer look at Disney's All-Star Movies. Inside the resort's main building, Cinema Hall, you'll first find the lobby where you'll check in and find concierge services.
You got it all inside.
You'll also find the gift shop, Donald's Double Feature.
And when you dance, I'm in the groove.
World Premiere Food Court serves up standard American fare for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
To be true. And when you dance,
And you can find adult beverages at the pool bar, Silver Screen Spirits. The Fantasia Pool is the resort's main pool. And you'll also find a quiet pool, Duck Pond Pool. And there is an arcade. Each resort is divided into different themed sections. All-Star Movies is divided into Toy Story, Fantasia, Love Bug, (101) Dalmatians, and Mighty Ducks.
Now let's check out All-Star Sports. Inside the main building, Stadium Hall, you'll find the lobby, gift shop, Sport Goofy, and the End Zone Food Court, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For cocktails and other alcoholic drinks, you can visit Grandstand Spirits Pool Bar. The main pool here is Surfboard Bay. And you'll find a quiet pool as well called Grand Slam. And there's an arcade. The sections at this resort include Home Run Hotel, Touchdown, Surf's Up, Hoops Hotel, and Center Court. Now let's check out the rooms. The standard and preferred rooms are the same at all 3 resorts. These rooms offer a queen bed with the option of a table, and if there are more in the room, the table actually pulls down into a second queen bed.
All-Star Music has an additional family suites option that has a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and sleeps up to 6. Last but not least, my favorite of the 3 is All-Star Music. The main building here, Melody Hall, also contains the lobby, gift shop Maestro Mickey's, and the intermission food court serving quick service for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The pool bar, Singing Spirits, is home to all your adult beverages.
The resort's main pool is the Calypso Pool. And you also have the quiet Piano Pool. And guess what? There's also an arcade here. The resort sections here are Calypso, Jazz Inn, Rock Inn, Country Fair, and Broadway Hotel. Complimentary transportation to the theme parks and Disney Springs at all three resorts is exclusively by bus. You'll find these bus depots in front of each resort's main building. Other transportation and bell services is located in the carport. Overall, Disney's all-star resorts offer a great value. While not having some of the amenities of moderate and deluxe resorts, their over-the-top theming and lower price point might just make them the perfect resort for your next Disney vacation. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe.